Ever wish you could automate your BullX trading with a smart, easy-to-use bot? Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate and use BullBot on BullX in just a few simple steps. First, head over to BullX and navigate to your account settings. Locate the API Keys section. You'll need to create a new API key specifically for BullBot. When creating the key, be sure to grant it both read and trade permissions so BullBot can access your account and execute trades on your behalf. Carefully copy both the API key and the secret key. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them to connect BullBot. Now, open up BullBot. Find the settings or connection area, usually indicated by a gear icon or a connect button. This is where you'll paste the API key and secret key you copied from BullX. Make sure there are no extra spaces when you paste them. Once connected, explore the available trading strategies and settings within BullBot. You can customize the bot's behavior to match your risk tolerance and trading goals. Choose your desired trading pair, set your parameters like stop loss and take profit levels, and then start the bot. BullBot will now begin trading automatically on your BullX account based on your configurations. And that's it, you're now using BullBot to automate your trading on BullX. Remember to monitor its performance and adjust your settings as needed for optimal results.